Today we will do U-tube, also known as manometer. Now, what is the purpose of U-tube? The purpose is if you get the midship draft of the ship on one side, then you can calculate the midship draft on the other side. So, if you have a ship alongside the berth and you find out the draft on the port side, on the sea side, then if you use the U-tube, you can calculate the draft on the starboard side. So this helps in two ways. For example, if you have a fender here and you cannot see your starboard side midship draft, then you can calculate. Or if you have swell on the port side, you cannot get an accurate midship draft on the port side. So you take the visual draft on the starboard side midship, and then you can calculate your midship draft on the port side using the U-tube. So what is U-tube? It is just a flexible hose, a garden hose filled with any liquid, say water, and its length should be the breadth of the ship plus about 2 meters plus 2 meters approximately. So it is laid on the midship, it is filled with water, laid on the midship part of the ship like this, and then raised up about 2 meters or so, and it is graduated starting from 0 every 1 centimeters. 0, 1 centimeters, 2, 3, like this. So the liquid is filled from top to the bottom, including the athwartships. Now, if both the sides are showing 3 centimeters, that means there is no list. So whatever draft you take on one side, that is your draft on the other side also, midship draft. But suppose the vessel is listed slightly, this is the new water line, this is the earlier water line when she was not listed, now she is listed, and this is your list, let's say theta. Now if your starboard reading is showing 7 centimeters and port is showing 1, so you calculate the difference. 7 minus 1 is 6 centimeters. So if you have taken a midship draft on the port midship, which is 10.0 meters, then your starboard midship would be 10.0 plus the difference, that is 6 centimeters, 0.06. So your starboard midship would be 10.06. Another purpose of the U-tube is you can also calculate the accurate list of the vessel. Now, if this is the list of the vessel and you make a parallel line from here, passing through this point, parallel line of parallel to this line, the old water line passing to this point like this. Now if this is theta, then this is also theta, because these are parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. So this is also theta. Now tan of theta is equal to, in this triangle, tan of theta is perpendicular upon base. So if this is a perpendicular, let's call it x, and your base is the breadth of the ship. So tan theta would be x upon breadth of the ship. Now what is x? This is the new water line, distance from new water line to this point. So x, you can write this total distance, water line to keel, minus this distance. So tan theta could be written as, this is starboard midship, minus, this is the draft of starboard midship from keel to the water line, minus this distance. So that so you can write x as starboard midship draft minus, you can call this y, divided by breadth of the ship. And what is y? This distance is also this distance, new water line from keel, and this is your port midship draft. Midship draft is defined as distance, vertical distance from keel to the water line. So y is your port midship draft. So starboard midship draft minus port midship draft is tan theta, divided by breadth of the ship. So starboard midship draft minus port midship draft is also the difference between this reading and this reading, which is 6. So in this case, you can calculate the list. Tan theta is equal to starboard midship draft minus port, which is the difference, which is also the difference between water levels on starboard and port, which is 6 centimeters, 0.06 meters, divided by breadth of the ship. And you can calculate theta, which is the list of the vessel.